Hello, my name is Lilian Okiwe. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY deep conditioner with oatmeal. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. But first, before we this video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it.
To make the deep conditioner, what you need is aloe vera, ginger, water and oats. So you take the aloe vera, slice the aloe vera, and then it should look something like this. If you want, you can blend it, but I prefer to slice my aloe vera. And then you take some ginger. I'm using like 2 medium-sized ginger, and then I slice the ginger, and then I peel the ginger, then I grate it. So it should look something like this. You don't have to use this quantity of ginger. I recommend that if this is your first time using ginger, please do a patch test, because some people are allergic to it, so that you don't end up burning your scalp and stuff like that. So then I pour the aloe vera into the ginger. So this is to give you an idea of the quantity I use. So this is like a regular takeaway plate. And then I take some oats. I'm using the Quaker oats. You can use any oat of choice, I believe. I don't think it will affect the result, the outcome. So yeah, I take some oats. I actually use 3 spoons actually. For my last video I used 2 spoons because I felt like 2 spoons would be enough. But for this particular recipe, if you want your end result to be thick, then you should use like more than 2 spoons. I'm actually using 3 spoons. I keep saying 2. I'm actually using 3 spoons for this particular one because I want the consistency of my deep conditioner to be somewhat thick, like a thick paste. So that's why I'm using 3 spoons. So I pour the oats into the ginger and the aloe vera, and then I add some water. You basically use your discretion to add the water, but ultimately you want to make sure that you don't put too much and you don't put too little, so that it actually cooks, but at the same time, like, it's not too watery that you have to keep boiling and boiling to remove the excess water. So at the end of the day, after adding all the water and everything, you stir with a spoon or something, then you can transfer into a pot and cook. Also, with the cooking, you should use your discretion to know how long you cook. Basically, you just want to cook until when the whole mixture is like as thick as you want your deep conditioner to be. For me, I think I cooked for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after cooking, this is what it looks like. This is what mine looks like. You don't have to make it this thick. You can make it thicker. You can also make it more watery depending on what you like. And then you strain the mixture to remove all the particles of the ginger, aloe vera and the oats, so that you have a smooth paste that looks very much like a store-bought deep conditioner. So it's easier to strain when it's still hot, but you guys should be very cautious when you're doing it, because it can burn your hand. So if you have like a thermal glove, you can use that to squeeze out the liquid or like the paste from the chaff. So like, just bear that in mind. Don't do it too hot so that you don't burn your hands.
So my hair is freshly washed. As you guys can see, it's still pretty wet, and I'm done. This is what it looks like. I actually made it thick intentionally because I also like it to be nicer if it's thick. So this is the consistency. It's actually slimy. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply.
I went ahead to apply the deep conditioner all over my hair. I actually applied both on my hair and my scalp, because all the ingredients I use for this particular deep conditioner have very nice benefits for the scalp. Ginger helps to stimulate hair growth. Aloe vera is also good for the scalp. It helps to balance the hair and scalp's pH. Oats is also actually very good for the skin. It helps to repair like damaged cells and damaged like cells on the skin. So that's why I applied all over my hair. So on application, this is what my hair looks like. My hair actually felt really good. This deep conditioner actually has fantastic sleep, so it's very good for detangling. Normally when I apply deep conditioner in my hair, I do not detangle. I wait until I'm done rinsing it out to detangle, but this time around I detangled with deep conditioner. You can see how little the hair I lost was. Like, this is a fantastic deep conditioner for detangling. So afterwards, I covered my hair with a plastic bag and left the conditioner in for 1 hour. And after on taking out down the scalp after 1 hour, or rather the plastic bag after 1 hour, I really liked how my hair felt. My hair felt really good, and it looked like the deep conditioner was fading away. And so I thought to myself, why not just leave this in my hair and use it as a gel? And that was exactly what I did, because in my last video I used oatmeal as a gel, and it was actually very nice. It did not flake. It defined my curl. So, and aloe vera is also a gel, so I just thought, why not just use it as a gel? So I went ahead to dry my hair with a hair dryer, and on drying it, like, my hair flaked really bad. Even though my hair felt really good, it was soft, it was flexible, like it felt fantastic, but it flaked really bad. So don't use this as a gel. I actually had to go ahead and rinse out the deep conditioner from my hair, and my hair actually remained, like, felt the way it felt when I had it in my hair. It felt really soft, it felt really flexible, it was really bouncy and everything like that. Unfortunately, I could not come back to show you guys because it was already too dark, but my hair felt really good. So this is a fantastic deep conditioner. This is going to be my go-to deep conditioner from now on, so you guys will see the results in my other videos from now on. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.